Welcome to SAT Academy. In this video, I'll show you a simple Adobe Illustrator trick that makes your design look professional in seconds. Open Adobe Illustrator and select your object. Now go to the Appearance panel and apply this simple setting. This trick is commonly used by professional designers to create clean and modern designs. Remember, small details make a big difference in design. This technique improves alignment, balance, and overall visual quality. If this tip helped you, like the video and subscribe to SAT Academy for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching.